www.gibsonTruckworld. Calm 2004 Ford F250 Lariat Quad Cab FX4 Power Stroke Diesel 4-wheel drive riding on a nice set of Michelin's. 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, off-road package, power leather seating, 6-disc CD changer, wood grain interior trim, sliding rear window, keyless entry touchpad with code, alarm, running boards, bed liner, towing package, power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Repair description: 10-mile road test, 135-point inspection,